Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to invite people to your space. Pencil allows you several different ways to invite participants to your space. When your space is private, you have to individually invite participants to your space. When your space is public, anyone with access to your link can join your space. You can also invite participants by scheduling an event in Pencil learning management systems, or you can use an outside source such as Google Calendar. To look at the privacy of your space, select Invite at the top right-hand side of your screen. And here you can see currently my space is private. I can change it to public by clicking the arrow beside private, selecting public, and saving the changes. So to invite someone to my event when my space is public, I can just copy the link. Now anyone I send the link or who has access to my link will be able to join my space. If a participant has never used Pencil before, when they go and put in the link to the public space, they will be taken to the Pencil sign-up page where they can either create an account via email or log in with Google or Facebook. If my space is private, I have to individually invite participants by name to my space. So to do this, I'm going to click Invite at the top right-hand corner of my screen. And then I'm going to type out the names of the participants I wish to add to my space. I can choose whether or not I want them to be a participant or a host, and I will send them an invite. They will receive an email letting them know I have invited them to this space. So now we are going to quickly take a look at the participants view of being invited to a private space. So as you can see, Paulina received an email in her inbox and telling her she has been invited to our space, and she can directly join our space through this email. You can also schedule an event in Pencil's learning management system. So to do this, I'm going to select Schedule at the left-hand side of my screen. I'm going to select Create an Event. And now I'll put in all the details of my event. I can change the time, date, whether or not I would like it to repeat, and I can also add a description. To add participants, I will select Add Participant at the bottom of my screen and type out the name of the participant I wish to add. Only participants with Pencil Premium can be added by name to this event. I'm going to select Invite User, and now Paulina has been added to the participant list. I'm going to create an event. And now the event has been added to our schedule. Paulina would receive a notification via email informing her about our scheduled meeting. She can join it through that email, or she can directly join our meeting through the schedule in Pencil. So she has made her way to the space, and because I'm the host and already started the call, she can join at any time. So now we are going to look at the participant's point of view of receiving an event invite through Pencil Scheduler and joining the event. So as you can see, Paulina has received an email informing her that I have invited her to our scheduled event, and she can directly join it through this email. I can also invite people to an event using an outside source such as Google Calendar. So I'm going to select the time I wish to have my event, add a title. I will then put in the name of the participants I wish to join me in my event. And for location, I can just add in the space link. I can then save my event. And Paulina will be sent an email to let her know about the event. As you can see, Paulina found her way to our space, and because I'm the host and already started the call, she can join the call at any time. So now we are going to take a look at the participant's point of view of receiving an invite to join a Pencil space via Google Calendar. So as you can see, Paulina has received an email notification informing her of our scheduled Google Calendar event, and she can directly join our space through the link in that email. I hope you found today's tutorial helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the help button at the top right-hand side of your screen.